So welcome to my channel Rekha Datta English Classes. Guys, today I'm going to talk about how you are going to use being in our colloquial English, in our conversational English, in our day-to-day English when you are using being, how it sounds and how it works for you. When you are using being, it looks very informal, and your conversational English, it looks very impressive also, and you feel that it's very easy to take out these words and you sound very informal while you are using this being stuff. And at the same time, it avoids being too restrictive or too formal, and it really gives you kind of relaxation in your English speaking when you are speaking in English. And quite a couple of times you are using being, you feel that very comfortably you are using in your day-to-day English. So let's say that how you can use in your daily conversational English the use of being. So being can be used in 4 ways in our daily conversation, but today I have taken only 2 ways to show that how in our daily colloquial English we can use being. So first use is when you are showing some temporary behavior of some particular person. Actually the person is not in reality that kind of person. In reality he is not, but he is acting for a temporary period what actually he is not. So usually the person is not such kind of person, but just he is showing in his behavior, or maybe he's acting something, maybe he's acting in such a strange way or some abnormal way where you are just. So there are actually 4 uses of being in colloquial English, but today here in this video I'm going to tell you only 2 ways of using being. First is when you are showing your or someone else temporary behavior that happens only for a certain period. Actually that person is not like that. Usually that person is just in another way he behaves or talks, but for a certain period he is behaving in a very different way. So you can say that you are being very stubborn today, or you are being sluggish today. So it means that you want to say that usually or generally this person doesn't show these kind of strange behavior which actually he's coming off with. So you would say that why are you being so stubborn? Why are you being so stupid today? So here you are using being for showing someone's temporary behavior. Okay, let's see. Now let's see how in our day-to-day conversation we use being. He is being moody today. It means that he is acting grumpy. She is being super extra at the party. It means that she is acting over the top. He is really being lazy this morning. It means that actually he is acting sluggish, but it is not his usual energy level. Okay. Now she is being kind of awkward about her crush. It means that she's acting nervous and weird in front of her crush. He is being real chatty today. It means that she is talking too much today, but it is not her natural behavior. She is being super competitive in this game. I mean, today she is behaving extra competitive, but generally she doesn't do it. He is being really sensitive about this new haircut. It means that this person is acting touchy towards her haircut, but generally she doesn't do it. This kind of thing. My brother was being super grumpy yesterday. He didn't want to talk to anybody. He didn't want to do anything. I don't know what happened to him, what came into him. He didn't want to talk to anybody, and he was just just sitting in a corner. He was acting really very weird yesterday. So he was being so grumpy yesterday. But now just look at him. Today again he has come back to his original self and is talking, cracking jokes and chilling out. So yesterday he was just being grumpy. I don't know the reason. Yesterday night at the party, Tom was being totally wild. Just climbing on the table, he was singing, he was dancing, he was, singing at the top of his voice. I don't know what happened to him, what came into his being. He started doing it. But today, just look at him. He is being totally reserved and quiet. It seems that he just wanted to let loose himself for the party. My friend was being so lazy on Sunday. He slept for the whole day. He just watched Netflix shows and he didn't do anything. But just today, look at him. He's very energetic and productive. It seems that he just wanted to have a very chill day, a kind of chill day for himself. When Rani is around her crush, she is being super awkward, She just trips over her words. She gets so nervous. She didn't want to talk to anybody and sit quietly, getting so nervous. But look at her today. She's quite normal. She's being normal. She's behaving as if nothing has happened to her. But yesterday when she was around her crush, she was being so awkward. When we were playing video game today, my sister was super competitive. It seems that she doesn't want to lose the game and she was very much intense and very much focused. She just wanted to win the game. So that's why she was being very competitive when we were playing this video game. So this was the very short video on being, where I talked about only one usage of being, where you can use it as showing some temporary behavior of someone. Very soon I'm coming with another video where I'll tell you that how being can be used in passive voice too. Thank you so much for watching my video.